Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can see someone unfollowed you on Instagram. So simply you can see this is my Instagram account. So here first of all just click on profile. So you can see all the options are available here: posts, followers and following. So this is very simple step. Just click on followers. So here you can count all the followers you have been already. Like I have one follower, maybe you have 100 or something. So when you open your account, if there are 99, 98, so you can simply check who unfollowed you on Instagram. So simply you can check also here. You can also follow back here. You can also personally remove this person. So this is very simple method. You can easily know who unfollowed you on your Instagram.